Common packaging options include jute bag or woven polypropylene bag. That's the bag of rice. And it should be a moisture-resistant sack. Good day, my name is Delayimi Boss. Thank you for stopping by. This is DBA TV, where we discuss everything international trade. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to export shea nut. Shea nut is the nut from which you produce shea butter. Shea nut is the nut from which you produce shea butter. Shea nut is primarily grown in West and Central Africa, and a number of it actually is within Nigeria. It takes about 20 years for this tree to bear fruit, and that's why it's not good this tree being cut for the production of charcoal. Shea nut is so important there is strict adherence to quality when you are trying to source for shea nut, and the reason is because you produce shea butter from shea nut, which can be used for confectionaries. The free fatty acid is expected to be less than 6% for shea nut. Moisture content should be maximum of 10%. Oil content should be at least 45%. Impurity should be 0 to 2%, and latex should be about 4 to 10%. And latex should be about 4 to 10%. It's very, very important, extremely, extremely important to have a good understanding of the usage of shea nut. An importance of shea nut is really very important as a product because of the shea butter produced from it. Now, let's look at the market for this product. The market for shea nut. Where are the demand for shea nut? You know, it's so important for you to understand the issue, the market with high demand. You know, shea nut has demand in a lot of markets, but there are some markets you should look out for. Remember, of course, that for this product, the major producer actually is Nigeria. It might interest you to know, but typically, like many other products typical of Nigerian market, even though the largest producer is Nigeria, it might interest you to know that the largest exporter is not Nigeria. The largest exporter is not Nigeria, even though Nigeria is a major producer as far as this product is concerned. Now, so let's look at now the market. First of all, what is the total market size for this product called shea nut? What is the total market size in terms of import demand? It's about $1.05 billion. $1.05 billion. That is the size of the market for shea nut, $1.05 billion. Now, who are the major buyers? United States is the largest buyer of shea nut, 17.6%, followed by Germany, 12.6%, followed by the Netherlands, 7.1%, followed by Spain, 7.6%, for Netherlands, 7.1%, South Korea, 5.8%. So your biggest market is US, buying $184 million. Germany, $131 million. Spain, $79 million. That's the demand per annum. Netherlands, $74 million. South Korea, $60 million. United Kingdom, $52.7 million. Austria, $38.8 million. France, $38.5 million. Italy, $35.6 million. And India, $34.6 million. These are the market with huge demand For Sheanuts, talking about the packaging of Sheanuts for export, clean, dry packaging is required. Sheanuts should be thoroughly clean and dry before packaging to prevent mold. It's really subject to mold growth, and the mold issue for Sheanuts is a big one. Mold growth and maintain quality to ensure that the nuts are free of dirt, debris, and other contaminants. Packaging material should be high quality packaging material to provide protection against moisture, against pests, against physical damage. If you have been following me on this series or particular discussion on how to export different products, you will notice something I emphasize every time as far as quality issue is concerned, concerning commodities in general. Pests, physical damage, moisture, foreign matter. Common packaging options include jute bag or woven polypropylene bag. That's the bag of rice. And it should be a moisture-resistant sack. Ventilation. Incorporate ventilation in the packaging to prevent accumulation of moisture. And inadequate airflow help maintain the nut quality and prevent mold formation, which is why you use jute bag that have pores in it. So quality assurance is very important. And to ensure quality assurance, what should you do? Store in clean, dry, and well-ventilated warehouse before export. Do quality pre-shipment inspection. Quality pre-shipment inspection. Do your phytosanitary and fumigation certificate. Ensure you get that. Apart from the regular NXP, if you are in Nigeria, export license, pro forma invoice, getting your single good declaration from custom, clean certificate of inspection from inspection agent, bill of lading from shipping line, invoice, packing list, do phytosanitary and fumigation certificate, and do a third-party inspection. What are the common quality issues you need to be familiar with? Foreign matters and debris. As usual, foreign matter and debris. Presence of foreign materials such as stone, twig, and other debris. Implement rigorous cleaning process during harvesting and processing. Mold and fungal contamination is another problem. During storage and transportation, leading to mold growth. Exposure to moisture during storage and transportation lead to mold growth. So ensure thorough drying of the Sheanuts before packaging. Use moisture-resistant packaging material and avoid prolonged exposure to humid condition. Again, infestation. Infestation by insect during transit and storage. Apply appropriate insect control. That's why you do fumigation and phytosanitary certificate. Rancidity. Sheanut is prone to rancidity because it has oil. Sheanut should be stored in cool, dry condition. Use airtight packaging to prevent exposure to air and avoid prolonged storage and implement proper inventory management practices. First in, first out. First in, first out. So you don't keep it too much in the warehouse. This can help to reduce the level of rancidity before it gets to the export market. Contamination with aflatoxin. The presence of aflatoxin, which are harmful microorganisms produced by certain mold. When those mold grow on the product, they can produce mycoxine, a harmful aflatoxin, a harmful mycoxine produced by mold. Has this particular video been of help to you? Give it a thumbs up. Do you have a friend that wants to export Sheanut? Share with your friends. That friend I want to export Sheanut. If it's shea butter, you might be able to also get the one for shea butter. We have the one for shea butter we've done before in the previous episode. Check on this playlist on how to export different products on this particular platform or this particular YouTube channel. You will find it there. The next video will be on artwork. Artwork, A-R-T, artwork. For those that are in art, visual art, you have friends, they need to watch the next video. Subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment in the comment section. My name is Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.